In-mold electronics is a new manufacturing process that embeds graphical interfaces with functional electronics to create smart molded parts. The manufacturing process begins by printing stretchable conductive inks onto a film to create fully functional electronic circuits. A graphic overlay is printed on a second film. Separately, the surfaces are then thermoformed into the desired 3D shape. The films are trimmed. Components can be added to the printed circuit before or after thermoforming. The graphic layer and the circuit layer are then placed together in an injection mold. Injection molding embeds all the components, creating a single, rigid, smart molded part. Finished parts are cost-efficient, durable, reliable, thinner, and lightweight, reducing the overall eco-footprint of the parts. Contact us today to learn more about E2IP Technologies in-mold electronics and smart molded parts.